This isn't this world.
This is Dinah Lance.
But it would be nothing.
But she prefers Black Canary.
Nothing.
She's got a killer voice.
Got room for one more?
I don't need your help. I got this.
You got this? You sure about that?
What the hell are you doing here?
Where the fuck's the Dinah? Yeah!
I'm not letting you sell the kid to him.
We should order pizza. Hey, Cosmos.
Harley, focus.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow, it's a crossbow. I'm not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
You know.
When the fuck did she have time to do a shoe change? Come on.
Thanks!
Hair tie?
Yeah.
Get back here, kid!
I know, great taco spot.
You're okay. You're okay.
You bullets! Fuck him out! Canary, you know what you have to do! Cover your ears!
Told you she had a killer voice. We got the secret bank codes off the diner, and Huntress got her family money back. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders.